Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products so you can make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have a motherboard showdown that's going to blow your circuits. On the left, we have the GIGABYTE Z790 AORUS Elite Axe, and on the right, we have the MSI B760 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi Gaming Motherboard. Let's dive right in and see which one comes out on top. Alright, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, the price. The GIGABYTE Z790 AORUS Elite Axe comes in at a price of $259, while the MSI B760 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi Gaming Motherboard is a bit more budget-friendly at $189. It looks like the MSI board is giving us a sweet deal here. 1 point for MSI. Now, let's talk about the brains of these motherboards. The GIGABYTE Z790 AORUS Elite Axe supports the 13th and 12th Gen Intel Core series processors, and it's DDR5 compatible. On the other side, the MSI B760 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi supports the same Intel processors and also DDR5 memory. It's a tie in this category. Power and heat management are crucial for a high-performance motherboard. The GIGABYTE Z790 AORUS Elite Axe boasts a commanding power design with its twin 16+1+2 Phases Digital VRM Solution. It also has a cutting-edge thermal design with M.2 Thermal Guard 3 and fully covered MOSFET heatsinks. Meanwhile, the MSI B760 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi comes with an extended heatsink and MOSFET thermal pads. Both boards seem to have their thermal game on point. It's a draw. Moving on to connectivity, the GIGABYTE Z790 AORUS Elite Axe offers next-gen connectivity with SMD PCIe 5.0, PCIe 4.0 x 4M.2 slots, and USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 Type-C. The MSI B760 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi also provides PCIe 4.0 slots and Lightning Gen 4x4 M.2 for lightning fast game experiences. It's a tie in the connectivity department. Let's talk about networking. The GIGABYTE Z790 AORUS Elite Axe offers a 2.5 GBE LAN and Intel Wi-Fi 6E 802.11ax with BT5 and AORUS antenna. Meanwhile, the MSI B760 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi steps up with a 2.5G LAN and Wi-Fi 6E solution. Both boards deliver fast and stable network connections. It's another tie. Last but not least, let's discuss the extra goodies. The GIGABYTE Z790 AORUS Elite Axe comes with fine-tuning features like RGB Fusion 2.0, support for addressable LED and RGB LED strips, Smart Fan 6, and even the ability to update the BIOS without installing CPU, memory, and GPU. The MSI B760 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi offers a premium thermal solution and upgraded network capabilities. It's a tough call, but we'll give this one to GIGABYTE for its impressive fine-tuning features. The GIGABYTE Z790 AORUS Elite Axe and the MSI B760 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi Gaming Motherboard have received mixed reviews from customers. Some praise the GIGABYTE board for its QFlash Plus functionality, easy BIOS usage, and overall performance. However, there were also reports of damaged and used products being delivered. On the other hand, the MSI board received positive feedback for being a reliable choice, user-friendly BIOS, and compatibility with newer components. However, there were a few issues reported, such as the lack of RAID 0 support for NVMe drives and slower performance with all 4 RAM slots filled. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your specific needs and preferences. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the GIGABYTE Z790 AORUS Elite Axe and the MSI B760 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi Gaming Motherboard. It was a close battle, but the MSI board won in terms of price, while the GIGABYTE board took the lead in additional features. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your specific needs and preferences. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons that will make your head spin. Stay smart and happy shopping!